Kettles' car, and I couldn't understand what it was. And Papa Kettles was sniffing around and sniffing his clothes. He's like, what is that? I don't know what that is. I was so upset. Because it was stinky. It was really stinky. And Peoples, I got a little closer up on the vehicles, coming home, and Peoples, there was a pig truck up in front of a truck in front of me, that the smell was coming back. I was like, shoot, are you kidding me? So Papa Kettles pushed down on the accelerators just a little bit, so he could get past the stinky. So, from now on, you need to be on the lookouts for the stinky trucks